Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do an install on a rear window of a vehicle. This is a sticker that we made for a client. We're going to be putting it on the back of a minivan. These are the tools needed for an install. Some good tape, a measuring tape, and a squeegee. Okay, before we go out to the car, first thing we're going to do is determine the center. Real easy. I'm going to align it with the light in half. I'm not going to crease it, but we're going to push down and leave an indentation to show where the center is. Alright, before getting started, clean the back window with regular glass cleaner, making sure there's no bugs, anything stuck to it. It's perfectly clean and smooth. Next thing we're going to do is determine center. So there's no markings or indications anywhere on the glass where center is. So we're going to base it off the center of the T in Toyota and just go all the way up, making a few marks with a stabilo. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the 3M painter's tape and put it along one of the edges. If you noticed, I have a lot of extra tape top and bottom. This edge will align with the marks that I made on the glass. Just going to go ahead and put the painter's tape down. Make sure it's centered with my marks. As far as vertically center, I'm just eyeballing it. Not so much even, but to where the client wants it. So this is what's called the horizontal hinge technique. What I'm going to do is put another line of tape here. Now I'm going to start peeling back the vinyl from one of the sides. Make sure we get all of our letters. And I'm just going to create a small tear, and then with my left hand here on the loose edge, just tear it off. And use the squeegee to work down the letters. The reason why we put another strip of tape here is to keep the graphic from shifting around. Sometimes the tape might slip if you just have one strip, but if you have two, it's not going to go anywhere. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove both strips of tape. And peel back the other side of the graphic. Switch hands here, and I'm just going to gently push this down, making sure there's no bubbles, wrinkles, anything in the graphic. All right. Now what I'm going to do is just over squeegee everything. Make sure all the bubbles are out. Make sure all the vinyl is pressed down firmly. Also to note, the sun is in the west, the rear window is facing east, so it's not being applied directly in the sun. The reason why you want to do that is because it keeps the heat off. If you try putting the vinyl on in the sun, it's just going to bubble and wrinkle. Alright, so now I'm going to start peeling back the transfer tape. You want to peel it over the graphic. I usually do it at about a 45-degree angle. You want to make sure that all your letters and characters stick. You don't want to start lifting a part of a character and it tear when you pull it back. All right, looks really good. Sometimes you might want to go back and what's called over squeegee. Squeegee again over top without any transfer tape. If you see any bubbles or anything that you want to remove, you can either do it with a squeegee or even get an X-Acto and poke it out. But looks pretty good. Hopefully this tutorial helped you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, post them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.